Sage is doing the river dance. Come on, Bug. Come on, Bug. You can do it. Come on.
Come on, sweetie. Up, step, up. Okay. You can do it.
Come on, Buggy.
Come on.
Come on, Buggy. Come on.
You're a little dude. You're a little dude.
Come on.
Okay,
Come
let's
on.
try again. Okay. Let's not river dance.
Come on, Seiji. You can do it.
Up. Okay, walk.
We've seen you do it. Come on.
Okay, ready? Come on, Buck. Come on. Come on, love.
No.
Up.
Come on.
Stay up. Come on, walk to me, baby.
She's so lazy. Come on.
Like that.
She's fine, so that's
Come on, Buggy. Come on, Bug.
Bug, come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
Give up way too easy, kid.
Why are you so lazy? Come on, little one. Walk to me. Walk to me, Cassie. Come on. Come on. Okay, we can do this, Bug. We've seen you do it before. Okay, you can do it. Come on. Come on, love. Come on, sweetie. You are very silly. You are very silly. Is that a hole? Yes, I know. That's a hole.
Sage?
Okay, let's do this.
Sagey?
Turn
Sage,
around.
do you want to walk?
Go to mommy. Go to mommy.
Do you want to walk? Do you want to walk? Bud?
Okay, let's try again. Come on.
Sagey?
Come on. Let's do this. Whoa. Sweetie, come on. Let's do this. Come on. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go on. Up. Nope. Girly. Girly McGirl. You're too excited. Whoa. Upside down, baby. Upside down, baby.
Jack just went and dropped like a 40-pound turd. Watch out for Jack's butt. He just dropped a turd. He might have a clean on.
Let's see.
Is there a supermarket?
This is Cassie's tickle spot. You should try it.
Hi, Buggy. Can you say hi?
Say hi.
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa and everybody else.
Hi.
Buggy. Sagers. Where you going? Where you going? Can you say hi? Hi, Sagey. Say hi. Can you say hi? Sagey, say hi. Hmm? No.
Please let me go. Honey, seriously.
Larry, you're gonna hurt her back.
Hi. Honey.
Sagey. Sagey. Sagers. Alright. I guess that's that.